You might have seen many AI video tools, but what if I told you there's a new open source model that's breaking all speed records? This AI tool can generate image to video or text to video in near real time, making it one of the fastest models out there. Today, I'll dive into this tool, show you how to use it, and share my honest impressions. LTXV is a groundbreaking AI model that can generate videos from both text and images in near real time. While services like Kelling, Minimax, Runway typically take 15 to 20 minutes to generate videos, LTXV claims to do it in seconds. And when I say seconds, I mean it. We're talking about less than 30 seconds per generation. While the speed is impressive, the outputs can sometimes have imperfections, like faces appearing deformed or details looking inconsistent, especially in high motion scenes. But remember, this is still a research preview. The company promises that the final model will deliver better quality, frame consistency, and even run on consumer-grade GPUs like the RTX 4090. No need for those expensive 100S anymore. You can access LTXV through Hugging Face Spaces or FAL AI. However, on Hugging Face, you might face long queues due to high demand. FAL AI tends to be more reliable for testing, so that's what I'll be using today. Let's put LTXV to the test and compare it with Minimax on Hailuo AI. I've prepared two challenging prompts for this showdown. The first prompt is a movie trailer featuring the adventures of the 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool-knitted motorcycle helmet, blue sky, salt desert, cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, vivid colors. LTXV generated the video within seconds. The speed is undeniably fast, but the output, not great. The video is riddled with morphing and noticeable deformations, especially on the face. Switching to Minimax, the process took around 10 minutes. While slower, the quality is way better, with fewer flaws and more accurate details. The second prompt is Will Smith eating spaghetti. Once again, LTXV quickly produced the video, but the quality was disappointing. It didn't resemble Will Smith at all. With Minimax, the output was excellent. It not only matched the prompt, but also clearly recognized Will Smith. Let's test the image-to-video feature on both platforms. Here's a photo I created using the Flux AI model. If you're interested in generating unlimited images with Flux, check out my previous video where I explain the process step by step. Now back to the comparison. Let me upload the photo and add the details of what I want to see in the video. Looks like the image to video feature needs lots of work. I think it's one of the worst image to video outputs I've seen so far. Let's keep the prompt section empty and try again. Okay, so this time it's better than the previous one, but not up to the competition. Just see the result on Minimax, it's the best. So here's my take. LTXV is groundbreaking in terms of speed. Nothing else comes close right now. However, there's a clear trade-off between speed and quality. If you need quick iterations or real-time generation, LTXV is your go-to. But for professional quality outputs, Minimax still reigns supreme. Remember, LTXV is still in research preview, and being open source, it's likely to improve significantly with community contributions. The future looks promising. If you found this comparison helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI technology. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this speed versus quality trade-off? See you in the next one.